finance, and that's a true friend. You better pay me soon, friends. And I don't play games, but I got a lot of enemies. So what you want from me? Hey, hey. I put it in crypto, it goes up like when I invest in the stock. I got the Midas touch, gold wristwatch, Midas in reverse. I bought when it was low, when it was high, I sold. My luxury watch cost more than your whole wardrobe. My car like it's glass, friend, that's not the standard. Put the paper in a safe, bank's not what I trust. When I think of what I own, I know it's not enough. And I don't believe in luck, I got good credit. I got 3 premium cars, this lifestyle's expensive. What I own, you rent it. I get checks, I spend it. It's a blessing, I'm flexing, I count up my investments. I got mansion cars and estates. I got good tastes, it's the light that I chase. All my money deposited. You don't make profit, you pocket it. You can't keep up, I be lapping you. When I die, put me in a gold casket too. Hey, new finance, we on the finance, and that's the truth, friend. You better pay me soon, friend. And I don't play games, but I got a lot of enemies. So what you want from me? Hey, hey. When I count, my eyes on the amount. I don't care what you about. All my business is legit. No need to worry about me, friend. Just take care of your responsibility. I see success and I reward it. I know potential connections and keep them in my network. Then I secure them like my money investments. That's a lot of earnings from honest efforts. My score is perfect. The financial world respects it. You see the growth, you know I architect. They throw shade, but my future is protected. I'm running the numbers, my moves are selected. I move on instinct, yeah, my hustle is corrected. I'm a financial legend, everything I touch is affecting. We on the finance, and that's the truth, friend. You better pay me soon, friend. And I don't play games, but I got a lot of enemies. So what you want from me? Hey, hey. The first rule is never trust the system that created the norm. I built my own vault, I weathered every single financial storm. I bought up the crypto when the price was for long. Now the interest stacking like I just was born. To master the money game, that's the simple truth. I'm stacking up the future for me and the youth. I'm living proof that you can win without a big group. I just need my phone, my brain, and a strong roof. I'm not waiting for handout, I'm waiting for the next deal. I'm making small moves, showing everybody what is real. My focus is strong, my empire's tall. I gotta stand up now, can't afford to fall. I'm building generational wealth for one and for all. Yeah. You see the spinning, I see the strategic moves. I let the money work, I don't follow the groove. They talk about the quick cash, I talk about the proof. The consistent investing will raise your ceiling, raise your roof. I turned every single doubt into a massive gain. I mastered the knowledge, avoided all the strain. My life is a blueprint, I'm charting the whole terrain. I'm chasing the freedom again and again. So when they see me winning, tell them what you found. The new finance flow is built on solid ground. Yeah. So what you want from me? Yeah. So what you want from me? Rappers are distracting for the attention. Money in the safe, assets in my possession. Real estate flipping, bigger estate getting. Bitcoin galore, getting all of the profit. Better investor, you never gon' get it. You gon' get left, you better go get it. I don't have no time for the distractions. Only thing I care about is my riches. They try to hate me, I know they just wishing. They see me out here, they know that I'm winning. I'm on a money chase, I'm on a mission. Told her I'm working, she told me she missed me. I hit her back and I told her I'm busy. I'm making plays and I'm stacking my benches. If I take a loss, then I just take a lesson. Learn from my setbacks, it turn to a blessing. Tryna do right, but it's hard not to move fast. I put my drive in these songs, making investments, I stack up the profit. Real estate shopping, I look at the lot. Pull up to the bank and I make a deposit. All of these people just focus on noise. I'm in the foreign, I came from the block. I came from nothing, I came from the bottom. These enemies are talking, they share all their drama. Move toward my assets, you'll be out of the loop. Don't get out of the loop, this is no joke. If I take a loss, then I just take a lesson. Learn from my setbacks, it turns to a blessing. Tryna do right, but it's hard not to move fast. I put my drive in these songs, making investments, I stack up the profit. Real estate shopping, I look at it like pull up to the bank and I make a deposit. All of these people just focus on noise. I'm in the foreign, I came from the block. I came from nothing, I came from the bottom. These enemies are talking, they share all their drama. Move to my asses, you'll be out of the loop. Don't get out of the loop. This is no joke. If I take a loss, then I just take a lesson. Learn from my setbacks, it turns to a blessing. Tryna do right, but it's hard not to move fast. Tryna do right, but it's hard not to move fast. I put my drive in these songs. Getting no jump, my vision is clear. I'm building an empire, removing all fear. I invest in the future, controlling my fate. They focused on the struggle, showing up too late. I turn digital currency into physical land. That's the master plan, executed by my hand. I prioritize ownership, that's what I understand. Now I'm making moves across the entire national span. I'm a financial architect, look at the structures I drew. I broke the cycle, everything I invest in is new. I saw the market move, and I bought up the floor. I turned a little bit of money into a whole lot more. If I take a loss, then I just take a lesson. Learn from my setbacks, it turns to a blessing. Tryna do right, but it's hard not to move fast. I put my drive in these songs, making investments, I stack up the profit. Real estate shopping, I look at the lot. Pull up to the bank and I make a deposit. All of these people just focus on noise. I'm in the foreign, I came from the block. I came from nothing, I came from the bottom. These enemies are talking, they share all their drama. Move from my assets, you'll be out of the loop. Don't get out of the loop. This is no joke. The first rule is never lose sight of the target. I'm a master of finance, commanding the market. I stack the blue chips, I secure the whole parcel. I turn small bets into a multi-million-dollar marvel. They talk about my car, I talk about my equity here. I use the power to leverage, making the path clear. I don't carry heavy worry, I keep my vision near. I'm winning the money game year after year. I keep my head down, I just focus on the grind. Leaving all the old poor, thinking far behind. I had to trust the process, the reward is what you earn. I'm building generational wealth with every lesson I learn. I turn every single challenge into an upward turn. You see the success, but you don't see the sacrifice. The time I spent studying, paying the ultimate price. I shattered every expectation, I made the smart choice. Now I'm using my wealth to amplify my voice. I went from saving pennies to investing in a nation. My empire's permeation, a financial revelation. I built my future on smart calculation and zero tolerance for hesitation. So next time they see the deposits, tell them what you found. Financial freedom is what I'm about. I'm on a mission.
Hello, it's the Bank of Fumes.
I need my investments clear, please. I need my investments clear, please.
TSB. What are you talking about? Are you sure?
No, it's not about being sure, I'm sure. And I need my crypto release.
Wait. What crypto are you talking about? Let me check the system.
I need my estimates clear. I need my crypto release. The price go up, the market's booming. I'm making a killing, they hate when they see me living. They love when they see me working, when they see me winning. I'm in a league of my own. I'm tryna finance the throne. I'm top boy, I made it known. You don't talk about it, you know. Don't talk about it, you know. The crew knows I don't care about rivals. What you know about $250,000 spent on real estate? I got a space where they may need this penthouse, not about your small apartments. I can see why these people be mad. I don't care about cloud, I know I'm a legend. And if you don't know, then you must be slow. I could've done this smart investing earlier, but I'd rather not talk about it, you know. How you not know? Cause they know how we move. You don't know about 24 hours on a plane. Bags on a jet, you must be dreaming. All of these things they can't maintain. Money's involved, I know it's the aim. My accounts will keep on stacking. No bank cards, cashless spending.
I don't see nobody above. Got my luxury watch, it can't get clearer. Don't need that high-end piece, don't need the other one either. I don't know how I can explain it. When I see it, I can't believe it. No. I need my investments clear. I need my crypto release. The price go the market's booming. I'm making a killing, they hate when they see me living. They love when they see me working, when they see me winning. I'm in a league of my own. I'm tryna finance the throne. I'm top boy, I made it known. Top boy, I made it known. They finally checked the system, now they sound surprised. I told them I was playing, they just didn't realize. I turned a small investment into a colossal size. The hustle never stops, that's the way I prioritize. I'm using the market's tools, I'm setting all the trends. I watch my portfolio grow, it never really ends. The paper's mandatory, that's what success comprehends. I cut the distractions, I only rock with true friends. I'm talking long-term power, not the one-hit wonder fame. I'm winning a money game, I'm shouting out my name. I took the risk, now I'm on who run the road, the whole frame. Look at the numbers, that's my language, yeah, that's my flow. I got the inside track, I know exactly where to go. They stuck in the old ways, moving painfully slow. I put the knowledge into action, watch my fortune grow. I got the deeds to the land, I got the keys to the block. I put the money in motion, watch it tick like a clock. This whole empire is permanent, built like a rock. You can't imitate the hustle, you can't weather the shock. When the bank finally calls to confirm the huge deposit, I just smile and tell them, yeah, I keep it in the wallet. I had to lead the small, thinking now I'm living large. I'm the captain of my ship, I'm fully in charge. I'm breaking every ceiling, pushing past the barrage. Building generational wealth, leaving my financial mark. You see the private jet, you don't see the vision clear. The commitment it took to conquer every fear. No fear. I shattered every limit, I made it year after year. This is the sound of success that they always gotta hear. Turn my pension to tangible proof. I invested in the future right out to the roof. They still whisper rumors, standing aloof. I'm driving a dream car right out of the booth. So next time they ask, just remember the simple truth. I'm financing the throne, standing on the absolute proof. Yeah. Big door released. Bitcoin. Yeah. Don't. Finance the throne. Talk about the money. Financial freedom, whoa. Play with my money, you get left behind, you know. Zoom. Luxury watch, whoa. I put my money in crypto. You put it in savings, see, I put my money in real estate. You put it in hope. You put it in hope. Deposit more racks than banks. I know that friend is focused, yeah. He gon' fill up the tank. I'm following the strategy. That's just the way that I think. All of this success in my system, I'm starting to thrive. Walk out the bank with a smile on my face and 100 racks. You ain't gon' take it from me. I just bought a safe and put 100 in that. I put a 10 in my safe and I put another in my safe. I had to take off my luxury shoes, it was kinda hard to drive the race. You don't get it, never mind. The only thing I can afford is to waste time. My security is perfect, it stays fine. My ass is secure and they stay mine. Yeah, they stay mine, and they stay mine, and they stay mine. They ain't gon' leave my side. I'm loyal to my hustle like it's my life. I never thought I'd say that in my life. And I got my team, and I got my team, and I got my team. All my racks are blue. Your currency is small, the way that it's stacking too. He's a dedicated guy, he's a focused friend, yeah, he's my dude. Your house ain't mine, my house on top of hills, you got a nice view. My house a nice price, my house a nice house, I'm living my life. Yeah, ooh yeah. I just walked in the bank with my card and deposit 100 bands. I ain't talking about cars, my luxury ride got a lot of friends. We been counting them racks, we just got another 10. I ain't talking about phones, but you know I got a lot of plans. My focus is strong, it's a permanent state. I invest in the future, controlling my fate. They focus on the struggle, always showing up late. I'm building generational wealth, avoiding all the debate. I saw the market move and I bought up the flow. I turned a little bit of money into a whole lot more. My passive income flows right outside the front door. You can't catch the wave if you stay on the shore. I'm driven by knowledge, not just by desire. I watch my investments climb higher and higher. Ooh, yeah. I just walked in the bank with my card and deposit 100 bands. I ain't talking about cars, my luxury ride got a lot of friends. We been counting them racks, we just got another 10. I ain't talking about phones, but you know I got a lot of plans. The first rule is never invest what you don't know. I broke the broke mindset, I learned the system flow. I put the wisdom in the project, watch the profits grow. I turn cryptocurrency into a whole real estate hoe. They still talking big cash, just like I'm talking need property. Only these, yeah, I control the equity. And my team is thriving, showing true efficiency. The life I live now is pure financial dividend. I move with a purpose with a single stride. I keep my ambition, I know where to hide. I had to lead the small thinking, now I'm living large. I'm the captain of my ship, I'm fully in charge. I'm pushing the limit, breaking through the barrage. They see the watch shine, they don't see the study time. Had to prioritize success, making every dollar climb. My life is a blueprint, truly a paradigm. I'm a financial legend, everything I do is prime. I turn my pains into detention proof. I invested in a vision, roof upon the roof. They still whispering rumors, standing aloof. I'm dropping the drink right out of the booth. So next time they see the deposits, tell them what you found. Financial freedom comes from being investment bound. I got a lot of plans. I got a lot of
These folks must have lost it. I lost my mind in the process. My wallet ignore me. No need to call the reinforcements. I run a bank, no farming. She running her mouth, that's foreign. Friend, I hope your life ain't boring. Cause you came from the start like a champion. Don't care about these prices. These people ain't focused. Y'all folks move so casually. My investment skyrocket. I just made another deposit. Please, you can leave out the nonsense. I hope these people find solace. They tryna find my balance. You need to look in your wallet. I need crypto and real estate. I don't care if my rivals till they fake. They can't see me, they sit away. They were playing with me and they still ain't safe. I just made another deposit. Please, you can leave out the nonsense. I hope these people find solace. They tryna find my balance. You need to look in your wallet. I just made another deposit. Please, you can leave out the nonsense. I hope these people find solace. They tryna find my balance. You need to look in your wallet. Rest in my jeans, no phony. I tend to change, now I'm glowing. I cut off old contacts. I made a promise they won't be coming with me, my circle. We don't do lazy, that's shady. They do it for fame, that's crazy. I do it for peace, my lifestyle. The chain I frozen. The watch I frozen. They couldn't close it, so we expose it. You lost your mind, you tripping. You lost your mind, you tripping. I'm about to go and get it. I need crypto and real estate. I don't care if my rivals to their fate. They can't see me, they silhouette. They were playing with me and they still ain't safe. I just made another deposit. Please, you can leave out the nonsense. I hope these people find solace. They tryna find my balance. You need to look in your wallet. I just made another deposit. Please, you can leave out the nonsense. I hope these people find solace. They tryna find my balance. You need to look in your wallet. First rule is focus on the game. I turned the hardship of my past into a financial change. They were whispering rumors causing all the unnecessary pain. I bought a whole new building out in the heavy rain. Now I'm teaching them methods, showing them the way. How to make your money work harder every day. I speak the language of profit, there's nothing left to say. I'm cashing out the freedom come what may. My credit is perfect, my moves are precise. I only take advice from the ones who pay the price. I had to lead a whole life and step into the sun. The chase of financial freedom is the battle I won. The pursuit of equity, my work is never done. You see the success, but you don't see the sacrifice. The time I spent studying, paying the ultimate price. I shattered every expectation, I made a smart choice. Now I'm using my wealth to amplify my voice. I went from saving pennies to investing in the nation. My empire's permanent, a financial revelation. I built my future on smart calculation and zero tolerance for hesitation. So next time they try to find a secret to the rags, tell them the only way is to look in their wallet and run right back. You need to look in your wallet. You need to look in your wallet.
Finance freedom when they free the bag, I ain't need a wet. I was sitting on it, didn't see the plan, but I believe in that. I was really sitting on a billion, had to dig deep for that. When they free the bag, I ain't need a wet. I was sitting on it, didn't see the plan, but I believe in that. I really sitting on a billion, to dig deep for that, but I knew I had a gift and they try to doubt me for that. Try to doubt me for that. Try to run off with my flow and you can't bring it back. Try to run off with my D and you ain't coming back. They be tryna run and play, I'm the quarterback. So when I tell them take it back, they just give it back. Yeah, they be in the studio with me. Yeah, tryna catch a groove with me. I don't need your sympathy, not into that. You ain't did a thing for me, that's why I had to take it back. Let's go, take it back. Took it all and gave it back. Took it all and gave it back. The only time I run it into the Rex. Getting paper cuts and rubber bands to the max. I need more, like my racks. I need more, like my car. Need 4 doors, got my name on the floor, and it's yours. But you know, I get it back anymore. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Finance freedom when they free the bag, I ain't need a wet. I was sitting on it, didn't see the plan, but I believed in that. I was really sitting on a billion, had to dig deep for that. When they free the bag, I ain't need a wet. I was sitting on it, didn't see the plan, but I believed in that. I was really sitting on a billion, had to dig deep for that, but I knew I had a gift and they tried to doubt me for that. Yeah, try to doubt me for that. Try to run off with my flow and you can't bring it back. Try to run off with my D and you ain't coming back. They be tryna run the play, I'm the quarterback. So when I tell them take it back, they just give it back. I had to trust the vision that was laid out for me. Trust, took a long road, yeah, that's a successful degree. Smart move. I used to dream about the day I finally be free. Now financial mastery is my reality. It's real. I don't rely on luck, I rely on the science. Turn my old rivals into new alliance. I make my money multiply with pure defiance. This is the new era, powered by compliance and by smart investments, that's the bottom line. I looked at the future and make sure of mine. Yeah. Every morning there's a meeting with the market pose. I'm calculating risks, I'm avoiding the foes. They still stuck on the old path, suffering the results. I'm stacking up the freedom, avoiding all assaults. I speak the language of profit, the sound of the game. I turn the hardship of my past into a financial chain. I never let the doubt inside me cause any pain. Now I'm making moves, watching the whole world rename. Me as a champion, the one who took the chance. I lead by example in this financial dance. I'm up at night, focused on the digital map. I found a hidden wealth right here in the gap. You can't imitate the hustle, you can't duplicate the trap. You see the success but you don't see the belief. The discipline it took to bring myself relief. I shattered every reputation, every false creed. I'm a financial legend, the world's cheap. I turn my potential into tangible proof. I invested in the vision, roof upon new roof. They still whisper room when they're standing aloof. I'm driving the drink car right out of the boot. So, next time they try to steal the secret to the racks, tell them the only way is to run right back. Take it back. Take it back.
They see you on the next, better you on chill.
Take your order, moving at the top tier. Crypto is clear. Rappers move quickly through the crib like I'm a Swift run. All diamonds all on me, I'm rocking VV. Going across the border, traveling globally, closing the deals. International friend from the land, met her on a trip. Walking in the bank, they know I'm scoring. Pockets getting enormous, billionaire lifestyle. Friend, I'ma go explore it. Money keeps calling, I'm hearing voices, I cannot ignore it. My life a movie, I'm in a luxury car. Keeping the energy focused, the crew is with me. They in the house, ready to work. Doubling my effort, putting in the time. We in the field, making the play. And they keep looking at me cause they know I'm a king. Got millions on our mind, I got finance on my mind. Freedom on my mind, Frito on my mind. Investments on my mind, real estate on my mind. The future on my mind. Walking past these rivals and I brush them off. I just came up on some real estate. Check my credit score and say one. They said, oh my God, he's the one. The way I do this, I can't be the only one. Too much deposits, all in the bank. Too much finance, all in the safe. You don't have to wait, I got no time to wait. I see why they hate, cause I'm about to be great. My friend is a real estate agent, he just sold a house to a high profile buyer. I'm out there by the whole block, might buy the whole neighborhood. Might provide housing for my team so they can just focus and grow. Putting all my energy in these moves, she want my connection and that's a wrap. Money my mind and that's a fact, but invest a whole bag on a property. We got millions on our mind, I got finance on my mind. Freedom on my mind, crypto on my mind. Crypto on my mind, invested on my mind. The future on my mind, yeah. The portfolio's heavy, look at the growth rate. I learned the game early, still my financial faith. They focus on the short term, always showing up late. I'm building generational wealth, avoiding all the debate. I turn digital currency into physical land. That's the master plan, executed by my hand. I prioritize ownership, that's what I understand. Now I'm making moves across the entire national span. I'm a financial architect, look at the structures I drew. I broke the cycle, everything I invest in is new. I had to lead a small thinking, now I'm living large. I'm the captain of my ship, I'm fully in charge. I'm pushing the limit, breaking through the rocks. You gotta see the vision, they refuse to acknowledge. I put the work in, skip the frivolous college. Smart, my education came from finance, fueled by pure knowledge. I'm showing the next generation how to budget and manage. They see the expensive stuff, they don't see the study time. They don't see the hustle that made this money climb. I'm with purpose, leaving distraction behind. True success is having millions on your mind. So next time they see me counting, tell them don't be sad. Tell them to join the future, stop being so mad. Finish freedom, yeah. Real estate on my mind.
SEO the man, steady on the track.
Let's get it. Yeah. Rivals, I'm on red alert. Yeah. Keep the focus. Met a friend that's about to work. Yeah. Speak my language. Don't need anybody else. Got my family. Belly Hills, put it in a check. Yeah. Check my check. Bitcoin stock, I invest. On the net, Elon Musk, me on the moon. Watch me do it. Man, I never lose, I just win. Where I been? Man, I never lose, I just win. Where I been? In the Benz driving, switching lanes. In the hill. Man, I'm feeling good, never change. On the real. Man, I see my future in my dreams. Never sleep. And I put my money in my streams. Watch me do it. Crypto, got it. Finance, got it. Pen banks, got it. Real estate, got it. Lifestyle, got it. Money, got it. Crypto, got it. Finance, got it. Where you in? Man, I don't know. Look at me, yeah. How much am I gotta go? Talk is cheap, what you say, let's get it, My account is working, money in my bag, money in my deposit, How'd you get that money? I said sorry, man, I invested, Bank teller said that when I walk in there, I look like money, I look like money, Card in my pocket, I'm on a rocket, She give me knowledge, she help me plot it, Man, I'ma talk my stuff,
My score is perfect, yeah, the credit is up. Crypto, got it. Print banks, got it. Print banks, got it. Real estate, got it. Lifestyle, got it. Money, got it. Crypto, got it. Finance, got it. The first rule is I learned the whole game. They were chasing quick fame, I was chasing main aim. I broke the broke mindset, I overcame the strain. Now every single dollar has got a strong chain. I turn the small bets into the big reward. I get that passive income, the life I can afford. I'm a financial architect, look at what I pour into the market, yeah, the success is a door. They keep asking for handouts, they need to learn the system. I'm building generational wealth with pure wisdom. I had to lead a small thinking behind, now I'm here. I got the focus, the power, I conquered every fear. I'm making smart moves, the future is clear. You gotta see the vision that they couldn't see. My portfolio is thriving, growing rapidly. I treat every investment with high priority. My knowledge is the power that brought this royalty. I'm talking stocks and bonds, I'm talking major investments. I turn every dollar into a future testament. My success is a monument, a constant present of hard work and focus, truly heaven sent. Crypto, finance, real estate, let's get it. Finance pro, money I got it. Real estate, know the property market. Cradle gon' grow, rivals are distracted. I got racks, no debit, all credit. Rivals, yeah, they try, don't sweat it. Finance freedom, friend, don't forget it. Finance freedom, friend, don't forget it. Finance freedom, can't you tell? Friend, you know I'm not the one to play with. Finance freedom, can't you tell? Don't you ever let a person play you. Finance freedom, can't you tell? Don't you ever let a person play you. Finance freedom, can't you tell? Don't you ever let a person play you. Crypto, real estate, finance. Crypto, real estate, finance. Real estate, crypto, real estate, finance. Real estate, crypto, real estate, finance. Crypto, real estate, finance. Real estate, finance, crypto, real estate, finance, crypto, real estate, finance. Finance freedom, can't you tell? Friend, you know I'm not the one to play with. Finance freedom, can't you tell? Don't you ever let a person play you. Finance freedom, can't you tell? Don't you ever let a person play you. Finance freedom, can't you tell? Don't you ever let a person play you. Brand new deposits, I'm a finance pro. Oh, money, I got it. Real estate, know the property market. Crypto gon' grow, rivals are distracted. I got racks, no debit, all credit. Rivals, yeah, they try, don't sweat it. Finance freedom, friend, don't forget it. Finance freedom, friend, don't forget it. My score is perfect, yeah, I'm the one who holds the key. I use the bank's money to invest for me. This ain't just rap music, this is financial decree. I turn simple savings into future equity. I study the rich, I learn the strategy, I master the leverage, I build a legacy. They still talking big cash, but I'm talking property. My whole team is up, yeah, that's the real priority. I don't play with short term, I'm focused on the growth. I know the algorithm, I know what success shows. Look at the balance sheet, look at the bottom line. I got the data on my side all the time. I'm watching the crypto wallets, yeah, they constantly climb. My real estate portfolio is truly prime. I came from the road thinking I changed the whole view. I show my whole circle with dedication can do. This ain't luck, this is discipline, consistently true. I'm the living proof of the financial breakthrough. They still chasing paper, I'm chasing the D. Planning 100 future financial seeds. the battle I won. You gotta understand the numbers, the principles, and the code. I bypassed the whole past, I took the successful road. My ambition is massive for the heavy financial load. I'm sharing the blueprint, showing everyone the road. I look at my whole life, and I know I did it right. I still for education, I fought on my mind. I live in the sun, everything is bright, everything is paid for, everything is right. So next time they see me winning, tell them not to be sad. Tell them to start learning, stop being so mad. Find this freedom, freedom, can't you tell? Can't you tell? Can't you tell? Can't you tell? Yeah.
My car, my house, put it on the ground and my comments go out. My friends are winning and their circles growing, yeah, that real estate. I'm living in a house. I deposit with the banks, getting credit cards, luxury watches in the chains. I told them catch up, but I'm really moving at a fast pace. I keep rivals closer, know they waiting for me to slow down. Tell them look over your shoulder, cause the champion running it back. Oh, I'm up now, said I wouldn't make it, but I'm up now. How? I don't know how, but all I know is that it's going down. I ain't in the bag, but I run the game. Got a lot of money, but I need some change. Investing all my money, turning losses to gains. Money, trees, and rain. I've been thinking about a new life. I've been getting there, I want in due time. I ain't been getting too much sleep, I'm up at night. Thinking about all of this new life. Yeah, I've been thinking about a new life. I've been getting there, I want in due time. I ain't been getting too much sleep, I'm up at night. Thinking about all of this new life. Yeah, big banks. Whoa, I've been saving up to make some big plays. Big boy. I don't play around, I got them big toys. It's a hobby, don't try to stop me. I got them motivated, put that on my crew. This that something from nothing, this that passion, I love it. I got them other people hustling around with a new plan. I ain't worried about losses, I'm focused on the win. I put the work in every day, I know where to begin. They see the success, now they wanna be my friend. I ain't in the bag, but I run a game. Got a lot of money, but I need some change. Investing all my money, turn the L's to gains. Money, trees, and rain. I've been thinking about a new life. I've been getting there, I want in due time. I ain't been getting too much sleep, I'm up at night. Thinking about all of this new life. Yeah, I've been thinking about a new life. I've been getting back, I want in due time. I ain't been getting too much sleep, I'm up at night. Thinking about all of this new life. Yeah, I got the blueprint, I got the master key. I turn simple saving into heavy equity. I'm a financial leader, showing what success can be. They talk about the quick cash, I talk about legacy. I built my empire smart, brick by economic brick. I use my credit as a tool, I never miss a trick. I look at the market, I know when to move quick. This elevation's permanent, yeah, it's gotta stick. I took the time to study, I broke the old chain. Now I'm in the sun, I ain't worried about the rain. I had to lead the fear behind and walk in my conviction. I chase the freedom, that's my ultimate ambition. I found a secret to wealth through smart acquisition. Whoa. They still stuck on the sideline watching me go past. They didn't believe in the vision, I bet it to last. I took my past struggles and I threw them in the trash. Now the passive income's piling up in a financial flash. I'm talking stocks and bonds, I'm talking major investment. I turn every dollar into a future testament. My success is a monument, a constant present of hard work and focus, truly heaven sent. money, trees, and rain.
Economics. Investing on crypto. Rivals just disappear. Hit the money down when my deposit hit. Whoa, we ain't friends no more. You were too distracted. Unmotivated people get ignored. Fake ambition I deploy. And I know you see it. Money long like the equator. Gotta invest, not spend, don't waste it. Don't lose your pay. We were the old path. Now my lifestyle, it feel great. My life has changed. I remember they were laughing in my face. I love my bank account. I love my credit cards. Love my house. I love my car. I love all my expensive stuff. I love my bank account. I love my credit card. Love my house. I love my car. I love all my expensive stuff. Economic, finance. I do my money dance. Got cash. I need wealth. You just doubt me, you're a rival. I love all my fans. I love finance. I love my wealth. My wrist cold, I need a coat in article. I'm the coolest one around, bro. Oh my god, oh my god. They mad cause I get what I'm worth, it's my job. Took my talents to the bank, made a deposit. Crypto, real estate, I invest, I don't spend, I don't play. I just be stacking, I'm worried about distraction. I can't go broke, I'm tryna see my whole fate. I can't no way, when I went since evolution, just me my vision. I can't go back, so it's all gas, no brakes. I gotta stay focused, no cab, no way. Can't be lazy, can't play. A lot of shit stay focused, give me my vision. I can't go back, so it's all gas, no brakes. I gotta stay focused, no cap, no way. Can't be lazy, can't play. I love my bank account, I love my credit card. Love my house, I love my car. I love all my expensive stuff. I love my bank account, I love my credit card. Love my house, I love my car. I love all my expensive stuff. The first rule is ownership is power. I flip the script on the hustle hour. But passive income flows like a constant shower. I got a master plan on the one day look toward. I'm turning profits into tangible assets. From the bottom level right to the big success. I manage my portfolio, avoiding all the stress. I'm passing on the wisdom, putting my team to the test. They see the luxury now, they don't see the study time. I had to learn the system to make this money climb. I broke the broke mindset, now the wealth is all mine. I'm building up the future, brick by financial brick. I'm stacking up the freedom, I won't ever quit. This is the legacy, the power with. You gotta understand the numbers, the data and the codes. I mastered the algorithm for the heavy loads. My ambition is massive on these empty roads. I'm sharing the blueprint, showing everyone to grow. I live my whole life, and I know I did right. I stood for education, I fought with all my might. Now live in the sun, I turn off the street light. Everything is paid for, everything is right. So next time they see me counting, tell them don't be sad. Tell them to start learning, stop being so mad. Economics, yeah. Oh, I love my bank account. I love my bank account.
The hell with the rent, all I care is the paper. Finance the Benz, I'm still whipping the rental. I do not chase friends, just a replacement. Telling me peace, I don't care about the situation. I feel like James when I bought with the Rockets. I see the robbers and take off like rockets. I don't trust banks, so I step my deposit. I don't need credit, my credit is solid. This for the paper, chasing the paper. All of these robbers are two-faced and haters. She wants commitment, but I'm not a savior. Say she won't hustle, but hustle for paper. This
for the paper, I gotta look like. Get it in crypto, I'm cashing it out. Get it in stock, so I get it in bonds. Got real estate, I'm investing in stock. That's how I do it a lot. They doing nothing, just making them plot. We made it out and we came from the block. I still keep a knot, I can't lose it. I do not show off, I prove it. They acting so weird, they so distracted. All of this paper, we go through it. We get the paper, we spend it. We go and buy it and rent it. We do it all independent. Came out the mud and we win it. The way I be stacking, I might need to get a new wallet. Way I be dropping, I might need to get a new wallet. The hell with the rent, all I care is the paper. Finish the Benz, I'm still whipping the rental. I do not chase friends to replace them. Telling me peace, I don't care about the situation. I feel like James when I ball with the Rockets. I see the rivals and take off like rockets. I don't trust banks, so I start my deposit. I don't need credit, my credit is solid. They see the success now, and they wanna ask how. I put the knowledge first, I started right now. I turned a little bit of money into a large amount. That's the power of investing, that's what I'm talking about. I read the balance sheets, I knew the game secret code. I carried the risk and I own the load. I watched the passive income start to explode. I took the long road, yeah, this is successful road. My focus is pure, my vision is clear. I'm building an empire, removing all fear. I got a high return, I'm in a different tier. Still stuck in the starting, I've been running for a year. I'm a financial architect, I design my career. They talk about my spending, I talk about my equity here. My credit score is perfect, it opens all the doors. I use the power of the leverage to settle all the scores. I don't carry heavy cash, I let the system absorb. I'm winning the money game, that's what I'm known for. I keep my head down, I just focus on the grind. Leaving all the old poor thinking far behind. It's all about the growth, it's all about the game. Understanding your worth, avoiding all the pain. I'm building generating wealth again and again. They talk about the quick fame, I talk about the long range. Invest in the future, escaping all the strain. I broke the cycle, reverse the financial drain. I mastered the blueprint, I conquered the whole terrain. I'm a living lesson for the ones coming up next. Showing them how to build a fortune past the financial stress. We prioritize on the shit, put our wealth to the crest. We never settle for less, we always pursue the best. Yeah, pay. Yeah, pay. But win.
Time to invest. Let's go. Yeah. Ha. Time to invest. Yeah. Came from the money, I walk with a check. Ayy. Reign over rivals, you can call me King Visitors. Now my money looking all like Viserin. Me and the crew really been up in the project. Bitcoin just got up in my pocket. So much crypto, I'm about to lose my focus. I put my money where my mouth is, orthodontist. Financial freedom, I'm coming up with the profit. You know I'm about it, I'm being honest. Cash, I need it, I want it. I hit the bank and made a deposit. I bought a house and sold it. I make a lot and I fold it. I got a lot and you know it. I need some credit cards and then I'm gon' reload it. Yeah, my life's expensive. I just bills, does not pay attention. And I got some real estate that worth a couple million. They say money can't buy happiness, but I could pay a visit. Time to invest, time to invest. I just put my money where my mouth is, orthodontist. Cash, I need it, I want it. I hit the bank and made a deposit. I bought a house and sold it. I make a lot and I fold it. I got a lot and you know it. I need some credit cards and then I'm gon' reload it. I used to chase the quick buck, now I chase the long play. I had to change my mindset, yeah. Every single day I'm focused on the assets that won't ever fade away. I'm building up the future, come what may. Yeah, my life's expensive. I just pay the bill, I pay attention. And I got some real estate that worth a couple million. They say money can't buy happiness, but I could pay a visit. From small ideas to major acquisition, big moves, I never stop learning. Ignore the false conditions. My portfolio's diversified, avoiding all collisions. My next big project is exceeding all projections. I'm turning digital currency into physical deeds, planting financial seeds, fulfilling all my needs. I read the contract myself, I know what success breeds. This ain't just rap music, these are life's decrees. I watch the competition stutter, they always pause. They focused on the fame, I focused on the cause. The cause of wealth creation, breaking through the walls. I flip the script on the game. They
tried to write me out, but I doubled down on my skills. There was never any doubt. I'm making smart moves. What is this all about? It's about having the power to live without. They talk about the spending, I talk about the return. I took the time to study, I gave myself time to learn. I'm investing in myself, watch the whole world turn. I had to lead the old ways, bridges I had to burn. This is the new era, the age of the savvy mind. Leaving all the broke, thinking far behind. I'm making sure my whole team set, financially aligned. True success is leaving worry of the future defined. I hit the target every time, you know I can't miss. The path to financial freedom is pure bliss. Pure bliss, let's go. Pure bliss, let's go. Financial freedom. Yeah, yeah.
Boy, the boss in one day, let's go. Hey yo, I was sitting in my crib on my couch, boy. Then I went and put a couple thousand on a coin. Told the crew my account is proud of me, join. Cause I made 100 bands, I ain't even unemployed. I just hit the lotto, it ain't even 5 o'clock. I know it's only Monday, it ain't even Friday, friend. She asked me about a gift, then I told her not too much. I got so many deposits, they call me Mr. Deposit. He asked me why you focus, I said on the big goal. I'm finna take my rivals to the corporate headquarters. He said he want a collaboration, told him that's 100,000. My friend thinks I'm too busy, I told her that's my account. Bird the bank, bird the bank, bird the bank, bird the bank, yeah, 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 yeah. Bird the bank, 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 bird the bank. He said why you focus, I said on a big goal, big goal. I just took my rivals to the corporate headquarters. He said he want a feature, told him that's 100,000. My friend thinks I'm too busy, I told her that's my account. Bird the bank, bird the bank, bird the bank, bird the bank, yeah, 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 yeah. Bird the bank, 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 bird the bank. I'm addicted to the game, that's my only fix. I just look at the screen, watch the wealth start to mix. I'm stacking up the assets, yeah, I'm learning all the tricks. I'm a financial leader now, I'm making hit after hit. I had to change my circle, gotta keep the vision clear. If it ain't about the future, then you can't be near. Yeah, I bought the whole block, I face every single fear. I'm investing in the future, watch the legacy appear. They used to call me lazy, now they call me ball. I took the risk, now I'm counting other calls. The freedom ball, the future I crawl. Some miss the deposit, never once been lost. She said, why you focus? I said on a big goal. I just took my rivals to the corporate headquarters. He said he want a feature, told him that's 100,000. My friend thinks I'm too busy, I told her that's my account. Bird the bank, bird the bank, bird the bank, bird the bank, yeah, 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 yeah. Bird the bank, 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 bird the bank. I got the data now, I know the next big thing. I listen to the market, hear the cash register ring. This ain't luck, this is knowledge and the moves that I bring. I trade a small change for the luxury of a king. I'm focused on the blueprint, the long-term play. I'm making sure my whole team say yeah every single day. I don't need a validation, I don't care what they say. I just need a balance sheet to always point the right way. Yeah, my mind's on the money, the mission is set. Yeah, I'm paying off the debts that I never even met. My focus is strong, my empire's tall. I gotta stand up now, can't afford to fall. I'm building generational wealth for one and for all. I'm turning crypto profits into real estate deals. That's the financial mastery, how the future reveals. They stay stuck in the past, driving on no wheels. I'm moving toward the future, yeah, that's how it feels. I took the time to learn, now I'm teaching the game. My success is a monument, a victory to my name. From the board couch to the billionaire fame, I'm proud of the change, yeah, we are not the same. Yeah, break the bank, break the bank. Break the bank.
Yeah. You know what I'm talking?
Sound of a bank vault closing.
Big bank, Taylor bank, we get deposit. Big tanks with a full rank, don't want no problem. Cuban link, in a new mink, my fit exotic. Got a Patek, got a Audemars, got the Richard Miller. The most successful person breathing, my friend is invested in winning. VVS my teeth and know I brought the team in. Look at all these racks, know I got it out of cement. We can achieve our goals, we're driven for a reason. New luxury car look amazing. Enjoy nice dinner with my companion. Riding in the mood, saying not just any car. No cap, all fast, got $1 million. Got a nice car looking amazing. Enjoy nice dinner with my companion. Riding in the mood, saying not just any car. No cap, all fast, got $1 million. Big bank, Taylor bank, we getting deposit. Big tank, with a full rank, don't want no problem. Cuban link, in a new mink, my fit exotic. Got a Patek, got a Audemars, got the Richard Mille. They try to copy the way, but they can't match your flow. This is not for show, this is how the asses grow. I traded fear for fortune, I traded doubt for dough. I only move with wisdom, yeah, you know I'm on the road. I put the knowledge in my portfolio, that's the real key. I don't chase the trend follows me. From the struggle to the luxury, yeah, I did it all by 3. Educate, invest, and build a legacy. Not a paper stack high, it touches the ceiling. This is the life I built, this is the feeling. Every day's a new closing, a new transaction still. The real estate keep moving, all the deeds are revealed. I'm the mastermind behind the strategy, perfectly concealed. They see the success now, the past is healed. I leveled up my credit, that's the ultimate tool. I make my money work, I break every rule. I'm a financial architect, I run my own school. My team is thriving, yeah, the life is cool. I look at the numbers and they make me smile. Been climbing this mountain for a very long while. My wrist is eyes out, my future is bright. I had to stand up, I had to fight. I'm building generational wealth with all of my might. I own a day, yeah, I own a night. The realest vision now is what they can't dispute. We talking long-term power, not a quick, tiny loot. I planted the seed of hustle, now I'm enjoying the fruit. This empire is permanent, right down to the root. I'm a living blueprint for the ones coming next. Showing them how to manage funds and pass a financial gift. We prioritize growth, put our wealth to the grave. We never settle for less, we always pursue the best. Yeah, big bank only. Don't want no problems. We getting a deposit.
Hey. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, the code is the key, the knowledge is the profit. New deposit, on the table, count another profit. Bunch of Benjamins, I've been playing with the large bills. Watch me swimming in, I've been drowning in the comments. Made it all our crypto, following the law. It is my money, better watch. New deposit, on the table, count another profit. Bunch of Benjamins, I've been playing with the large bills. Watch me swimming in, I've been drowning in the comments. Made it all off crypto, following the law. It is my money, better watch it. Had to go and take it, no debating. It was all a dream until I woke up and I made it. In my face with it, watch me pull up now, I flex on rivals. Paid it all, big money right off. I was born to win, but they said it was hard. Damn. Now I'm buying real estate, so they won't in. Got so many credit cards, I could pull it, you could deal it. Got so many bank accounts, I could sign it, you could seal it. Paid off, massive funds, just to write off. All profit, jet from the pre-sale. I'm too blessed, they told me that it was a big act. But I guess they were wrong, cause I was born to win. Let's go. Yeah, no debate, watch me demonstrate. I was working with the code and they ain't have a single key. Took a break from the city, it's too much, let's go. So much profit money, better watch it. New deposit, on the table, count another profit. Bunch of Benjamins, I've been playing with the large bills. Watch me swimming in, I've been drowning in the comments. Made it all off crypto, following the law. Yeah, this my money, better watch it.
They try to tell me that my hustle is a fault. They don't understand the vision, they just watch me exalt. From the bottom to the top, yeah, I did it all in a vault. I'm a financial architect, I built this with no doubt. No, I put the knowledge in my brain, yeah, I read all the rules. I learned the game, I saw all the little traps and the tools. And my bank account is full, yeah, I'm making it all the book. I'm a self-made winner, yeah, I'm the one who took the long road, the smart road, the only road to the top. You can't stop the cash flow once you learn how to make it not stop. I got the data now, I know the market moves. They're still chasing pennies, I'm buying a whole crew. The secret's in the timing, that's the only special key. I treat every single lesson like a part of my family. It's a digital state, yeah, the security is strong. They keep praying for the bear market, but I prove them wrong. I don't play with speculation, I research every coin. Got my portfolio balanced where the winners all join. I went from saving dimes to trading in the millions. This level of success requires true resilience. Yeah, resilience is the only way to climb. I had to learn to manage money, not just manage my time. I traded the worry for the wealth, I left the stress behind. I'm building generational wealth for all of my kind. This is more than just money, this is financial war. Breaking every glass ceiling, demand is so much more. I'm investing in the future, past the next few years. Eliminating the worry, dissolving all the fears. I remember simple times, now it's 5-star luxury. I remember the struggle, now I open all the gates. I'm building national wealth, that's the final lane. To change the whole OJ, to truly win the game. So next time they see me counting, tell them don't be sad. Just tell them to start learning, stop being so sad. Yeah. Crip out. Watch it, know the vibes. Watch it, oh. Watch it.